let's sing about animals.
A is B.
A is for alligator, big and green. B is for bear, the forest king seen. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, friendly to all. E is for elephant, giant and tall. F is for fox, sly and small. G is for giraffe, reaching the sky. H is for horse, running by. Animals A to Z, sing along with me. Animals A to Z, so wild and free.
Hooray for H!
J is for jaguar, moving with ease. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nightingale, sweet is the sound. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for penguin, dressed in animals A to Z, singing well with me. Animals A to Z, so wild and free. Q is for quail, quick on its feet. R is for rabbit, gentle and sweet. S is for snake, sliding near. T is for cheddar, strong with cheer. U is for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for vulture, circling the air. W is for whale, swimming free. X is for extra fish in the sea. I is for yak with wool so long. Z is for zebra, stripes so strong. Now you know animals A to Z. Running is fun for you and
Like,
me.
share, and
E,
subscribe.
E, E.